Hello, my name is Bill and welcome to MindYourCrypto. Today I have Cardano ADA update. Let's see guys how we will do, and of course we are on our way to our next price targets. Will we achieve them or what are we going to do against Bitcoin? If you like the content, please hit the like button, subscribe, hit the bell button, and of course share the video guys. Thank you for all the support this channel takes. It means so much, and of course you can join our Telegram group chat. I have the link in the description down below. You can join and we discuss many more things about the crypto space. So for now, what are we seeing? We are seeing that we are achieving the 1.91. If we will achieve actually the 1.91, but the thing is here that we want to go even further above. So how can we go there? Of course, you can see from the Fibonacci retracement that I started from the top to the bottom right here. I wanted to find important resistance levels, and that's how we knew that 1.91 is a major resistance level because it is the 0.618 Fibonacci retracement. For the MACD guys, you can see that we couldn't manage to go above this resistance level that was very crucial. Although it is not actually that we should worry, because I believe we might have a bullish recross here and eventually surpass it in the next days. But for now we are looking good, we are making the higher low pattern, we haven't gone below the support level, so we are actually for the MACD very good. So we don't have to care for the 4-hour frame because we saw the bearish cross. This means nothing guys, this is due to the commodity channel index, the RSI and every other indicator. So we are going to the ADA against USDT in the 4-hour frame to check something very good. We are in the middle of the commodity channel index, therefore we have so much room to grow, and you can see that we went to minus 100 and up and beyond guys commodity channel index, and now we are moving forward up again. So we want to see now something that we call a reversal to the trend and an upside situation guys. Higher lows and higher highs. We want to go steadily but surely above the 100. This will mean that it will go upwards. We will see Cardano ADA going upwards again. The RSI, you can see here we're in the middle on the RSI 53. We are between 30 and 70. We have room to grow. We don't have any oversold situation guys, any overbought situation, and of course we are keep having the higher low pattern we want to see on the 4-hour frame in the RSI. It's very important guys, and of course you should not worry about the performance of ADA right now. According to the SSL channel, we don't have a buying opportunity. However, as I've told you guys in my previous videos, I don't trust SSL channel so much on the 4-hour frame. I try to combine all the indicators, and of course the indicators actually that I find useful, and of course I combine all of them to make a short-term price analysis and price prediction. So for now we are going to the daily frame for the RSI. For the RSI guys, we are in the middle again. We want to push upwards. We don't have any overbought or any oversold situation, therefore not a risk or not a clear buying opportunity. But of course when we are here guys, we should see the whole market, how the whole market is trending, and we should we should get advice from other indicators, not the RSI, the daily RSI for now, not the commodity channel index. You can see that we are going upwards though. This is very good that we are now continuing our way towards the upwards and we don't fall down. This is what we want to see now for the daily commodity channel index. The MACD here, very good. I just want to see a more of a distance between the lines. I just want to see guys the blue line and the signal line going like this, and of course not having a bearish recross soon for the MACD and the signal line. However, we have seen the bullish recross here and it is pretty good. We have to see this from 19th May. Now we had it again, but we need a further distance, right? We need a further distance to say that we are absolutely fine for the daily frame for the MACD. On the Bollinger Bands, we are still in the middle. For the SL channel, on the daily frame, we are having a buying opportunity. You can see here we didn't, but now on the daily frame, we are having the green line is above the red line. You can see it by your screen. And of course, for the Bollinger Bands, we are now in the middle. When we are approaching the top line of the Bollinger Bands, we have a risk. When we are approaching the bottom line of the daily frame, we are having a buying opportunity. This is a general rule guys for the normal market, not for a very bearish market, not for an impulsive wave. Okay, so for now we are going to ADA against Bitcoin. This is, I think it's about time, guys, that we approach the previous high here and we go even further above to 0.4055. I believe we can go there. The 4-hour frame looks good. We maintain the support level, and of course we are now on the commodity channel index where we can see going upwards. We have room to grow. According to the RSI, we don't have any overbought or any oversold situation. According to the commodity channel index, it is the same. We don't have any risk as we are not up above the 100. We are not above the gray zone here. So for now we are absolutely fine. You can see when we are above, we are correcting a little bit because we are in a risky environment. Okay, so for now, for ADA against Bitcoin, we are actually pretty fine, guys. We are going there soon to the 0.4055. It is good. It is looking good. For the daily frame, as you can see here, we are actually looking pretty solid. Higher lows, higher highs, guys. Eventually, on the weekly frame, if you see, we have gone parabolic. I have told you this again, and ADA against Bitcoin is looking fantastic. For now, we are having a little bit of an overbought situation on the weekly frame. You can see the commodity channel index as well. But guys, when we are on an impulsive wave, we have seen this multiple times. The lowest commodity channel index might be at 69.70 and then we are going upwards. So here, if we go downwards a little bit for the future, we will go upwards again. You can see that we are having higher lows, higher highs, and we have room to grow. According to historical data, on the daily frame, we are looking extremely good. The 20-day MA is above the 50-day MA, and we don't have an overbought situation at all for Cardano ADA. So where are we going? You can see that the 1.91, I think we will be approaching these levels soon on the next days. And of course, if Bitcoin continues to have the swing high momentum. But if Bitcoin goes down, then of course it will drag down many other altcoins. So for now, we are cautiously optimistic, guys, because Bitcoin might have the swing high momentum to 41,000 USDT around there. But we should be careful because we are in a bearish market. Still, we are on a bearish market. Okay, even though we expect the Bitcoin to go upwards, that doesn't mean it will necessarily do it. So we have to be careful. When you have the profits, please, I advise you guys to take some of your profits already. Don't be greedy on a bearish market. If we go down to 34,000 USDT and beyond, then this will drag down many other altcoins. For now, if Bitcoin goes sideways, guys, or has a swing high, ADA will approach the 1.91 USDT for sure. The point is here with the higher lows and the higher highs where it can go. Can it go, for example, above the 2.02 or can it go to the 2.16? I'm not sure about that. But of course, guys, I believe that from the time we go 1.91, we will go 2.16. And you can say that we can measure something like this. Okay, for example, here, if I take the price range that we need towards the 41,000 USDT, you can see that it is around 10% to 11 to 12% for the 41 to 42,000 USDT. So for now, what ADA needs, okay, what ADA needs is around 8%. We will be surely going there if we get there. The point is, can we get to 2.03? For sure. If ADA keeps outperforming Bitcoin, then the percentage that ADA will move upwards will be more than Bitcoin. So 12% will be nothing, 40% actually might be nothing, guys, and we might go even further above to 20%. So yeah, if we go to 42,000 USDT, 2.03 ADA or more, it is very achievable for me. And of course, the 1.91 is something that will be a piece of cake. Okay, so going there will be very I believe it will be very easily to go to achieve that, guys, the price target. But for now, we need to be careful because actually, if we go at 1.91, the 0.618 Fibonacci retracement, and we found resistance there, then we might actually go all the way down because Bitcoin might have, from the time being, a correction. Okay, that is, guys, this price range here is if Bitcoin has a swing high or goes sideways. For example, guys, if Bitcoin crashes down, then of course we are going down all the way. For example, if we lose the 36,000 USDT, then we are going to 34 actually, and if we reapproach the 34 and go down, even further down, then we are going to 26 to 28,000 USDT, okay? So we have to be careful. For now, guys, I believe that we can go there. I believe Bitcoin will have a swing high. Let's see the daily frame and the RSI. You can see we are going along with the top and bottom trend line, and what we want to see is if we can go and break both of the resistance lines, the first top trend line, and of course you can see the red line resistance line. We can actually get there. And of course, if we, let's say guys, one of the bullish scenario for a bearish market, okay, we make the 42,000 USDT a support level, then we are actually going to 24% upwards, 46 around there, 1000 USDT. Then this will mean that ADA will not only go to 2.16, guys. I believe it can go even higher, okay? It can go even higher. It maybe can retest its previous high. However, now we have to take it step by step, guys. We need to be on point, and of course, I always want to be honest with you. ADA looks good to reach the 1.91, maybe again the 2.02. Our next price target will be 2.15, and from there, we are not sure where we will go, okay, because a lot depends on Bitcoin, and now we are in a bearish market. But for more of a mid-long term, guys, price target 1.618 Fibonacci retracement 3.37 is very, very approachable, okay, and we can approach these levels right here. We just need some time because we want to see where Bitcoin will go. Eventually, guys, if it crashes down, then you know this has no value here for the midterm, especially for the midterm. It has value for the long term. However, we want to see where we will go. We will be going right now, guys. Bitcoin, according to Bitcoin, we can have a swing high first of all to 41,000 USDT to 42, and secondly, we will see afterwards what we will do. Of course, I will daily update, and I will be here for you. You need patience. Patience is the key for success, guys. Of course, discipline, buying strategy, and the next strategy, your exit strategy right now, these days, guys, must be with less profits, okay? If you have profits, even if they are 5-10%, take them, because you never know. It is better to take profits than be greedy on a bearish market. Thank you so much for watching. Have a fantastic day wherever you are. Stay tuned for many more videos. Bye.